This short tutorial video of how to guide everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple process of logging in to your IRL account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into it. In real life is a social messaging platform where you can find your friends, join groups, and chat with them according to your topics of your interest. So to log into your account, you can either use the website of IRL or you can also log in using the app. For this video, let's use the app. Download this application onto your device and then just open up the app. You can search for IRL on your Play Store or the App Store. Once you open up this app, you can see this interface. Now, if you don't yet have an account, you can tap on Get Started and create one. But if you have one, you can tap on the login option. Once you tap on login, there are two ways that you can log into your account, either using your phone number or your email address. If you signed up using your email address, then you need to type in your email address, or if you signed up using your phone number, you need to type in your phone number. So choose the method that you signed up and tap on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address or your phone number depending upon which option you choose. You just need to type in the code and tap on continue. And there you go, as easy as that, you have been now successfully logged in to your IRL account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.